Hi, today I'm Friday for Nokia 9 PureView and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first open the Play Store and on the search tool enter the green Apple keyboard. Green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, near Green Apple Keyboard, click on the switcher, tap to OK twice, and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check the new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.